Hey guys, thank you for watching. This is me again, Mick, and we are doing our second look for the My Love for Mcqueen series. And this time, we are doing a crazy dress with sheer parts and lots of ruffles. Just like before, I already did the rough sketch earlier, and now we are finalizing it with an HB pencil. Yeah, this dress has a very simple bodice, which is quite easy to draw. But wait till we get to the sleeves and skirt. Now look at this very nice ruffle details at the armhole of this dress. Isn't that nice? Oh wait, more ruffles. And more ruffles. Well, I guess you can't have enough ruffles. And here, you will notice that I'm already doing a sloppy job. I'm just a man. I guess one man can handle this much ruffles. And just when you thought Mcqueen ran out of ruffles, well, guess what? More ruffles! Oh, alright, moving forward. I already did a video about skin and contours, so I will not talk about it here anymore. Nobody wants a 3-hour video. I will include the link below for you. Okay, but let's talk about what I just did there. I really think that that shadow was too dark. Unfortunately, I couldn't erase that anymore. Ah, and now it's time to add color to the dress. Whew, such a nice pink. Too pink. I'll be adding layers and layers of the same color to add midtones. And then I will add deeper red, I think, to add core shadows. And here I go again with that harsh color. Congratulations! Oh my god. At this point, honestly, I was already questioning my skill. Ooh, let's just try to save this because I don't want to waste it and start over again. And here I'm using a light pink pencil and white pencil to create a bit of highlights. And now, because of the harsh shadows, it's becoming a rescue mission now. Let's just try to save it, okay? Don't be mad. And if ever you're wondering why I'm doing these crisscross strokes, well, it's my way of adding texture to the fabric because it's tulle, and I wanted to show you that. And this is a continuation of my rescue mission, because apparently I'm so dumb I also use that dark color on the face. So I'm using a brown pencil to line up some parts to blend it. And oh yes, finally, it's almost 5 in the morning, and now I am finishing it up with a micro pen. Yay! Finally, we're almost over. Did I say finally? Okay, and before I show you the complete sketch, let's do a cheesy countdown first. Well, this is it, the complete sketch of our look 2 for our My Love for Mcqueen series. Was the rescue mission successful? I hope. Well, I would also love to hear what you think, so comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to see what's up next. Bye, guys! Thank you!